Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Customs YouTube channel. So today we've got a Peugeot 206. So this is something different on our channel as we normally work on BMWs, but we wanted to switch it up, and we're also going to be doing something different as we're going to be stripping this car. We're not going to be fixing anything or adding anything, but we're going to be taking off every single part on this car and we're going to send it off for scrap. So this car is a 2006 Peugeot 206. Currently the ABS pump is gone on this car, so if we were to go and start up the car doesn't want to start. So instead of fixing this car, we might as well strip it. So go show you guys. It wants to crank but it doesn't start. So since it does this, there's no point fixing an old car like this because you're not going to make your money back. You're going to be wasting money, to be honest. So if you've got a Peugeot 206 and your ABS pump is gone, if it's an older model, the ABS pump is a bit cheaper, but if it's like the facelift model like this, then the ABS pump is a bit more expensive and it's not really worth getting that fixed for an older car because you're not going to sell it for much. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Andrew, and on this channel we talk about things that we do on our customers' cars, things that we do on these project cars which we buy and we sell, or we fix or we scrap, whatever we do. So we're going to start off with the back end. We're not going to remove the boot just yet, but we're going to remove the bumper, maybe the headlights too, or the tail lights, sorry. And then we could go inside and start removing the interior and then leave the rest for later, because we want to keep the doors on just in case it rains. And for those of you who live in the UK, you know it rains here quite often, even in the summer, so I don't want to risk that. And maybe might remove the front bumper too. So this might be a part of a video, so there might be parts to this video, or I might do it in one whole big video, but we'll see how it goes and we'll time lapse the process. So you're going to see a whole car go into pieces, so stay tuned. So this is day 2 and we're going to be stripping out the engine on the Peugeot 206 today. So today it's pretty dark and it's like 9 o'clock. So that's why I'm trying to film wherever there's light, but you're not going to be able to see much today since it's dark. But I'm going to try and show you how the engine looks or how the car looks currently, and then we're going to be stripping it out, and I'm going to time lapse that bit since there's a customer or a person coming to take the engine from the car today. So we're going to film the process of the removal of the engine. So stay tuned and let's get straight into it. So I'm not sure if you can see the car much, but this is how the car looks currently. And I've opened the latch already. So this is the engine, and this whole thing is going to be coming out today. So stay tuned, guys. Bada bing, bada boom. So now you can see much clearly, and we can show you guys how the engine looks. So as you can see, some of it has already been taken out, so we need to take out the main bits, and once we've taken that out, this will all be out of the car and we can work on the rest of the car. So hopefully today we're going to be taking off the bonnet, we're going to be taking off the doors, and since the car's on ramps we can get underneath and take out the exhaust too. So we're going to be doing all of that today, and maybe the back boot, this door, and then that leaves us with just the bits underneath. So maybe like the gearbox and the exhaust as mentioned earlier, and the steering wheel, the seats, things inside. And this car is good to get scrapped, so we don't know if we want to scrap it yet or we want to cut it up and then do something, but we'll see what we decide. First, let's get out the engine, let's get out the remaining stuff and make it bare metal. And while working on this car, realized that this has come off, so the Peugeot sign has come off. So what I'm going to do is, for those of you who follow us on our Instagram channel, once this video has been released, I'm going to leave a question out for you, or a quiz out, and whoever answers that and gets it right, we're going to put your name in a random generator, and whoever gets selected gets this for free as a memory of this project. So if you want to be a part of that, please do remember to follow us on our Instagram channel and be part of that quiz or be part of that poll, and if you get it right, you might have the chance of winning this badge just as a memory of this car project that we're doing at Alpha Customs. So what are we waiting for? Let's get crack-a-lacking. We're going to start off taking off this door. In order to take off the door, you want to remove this wiring harness or disconnect it first. And once you disconnect this, there's 2 bolts there, 2 bolts there. You can start removing that, and this hinge here. There's a Torx bolt here for it. Once you remove that, it should be good to come out. And that's the door out, but this thing is heavy, so we might need some help taking that out. But this is how the door looks, and then it's going to be a doorless car. It's going to look like this. So once there's no door, we're going to strip out the interior. We might leave the dashboard in, since this is not really worth taking it out, but the remaining stuff is going to come out.
Subscribe and like for more action videos, people.
we're finally at the end of this video. Today the car is going, so we're going to be taking off the boot, we're going to be taking off the wheels and the steering wheel, and we're going to send the car on the truck. So you're going to see the car getting on the truck and off it goes. So today it's its funeral day. Rest in peace to this Peugeot 206. So let's get crack-a-lacking. So that brings us to the end of this video and the end of this project. And as you can see, the Peugeot is finished and there's no longer many bits on it. So yeah, this is the project done, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Until next time, peace.